Hello everyone, my name is Khải. Today I will be showing to you a project using a dictionary. As you can see, this is the main page. You have many options. The first option is to show the words that are in the dictionary. So you can see the name. So over here is the name of all the dictionary. Hello. For example, hello. You can also see the phonics of it. The meaning in Vietnamese, and the example in English. As you can see, the example has the word of the name. And you will also notice that we do not show the full sentence, and there will be a few dots to show extra. Now, you can also find words, which is the second option, and it will ask you to enter a word. You must enter a word that's in the dictionary, or else it will show an error. So for example, you write hello. You can see this is the phonics, this is the meaning, and this is the example. Now you have an option to continue or not. So let's say that you continue. You will enter another word, so you add like love. And if you don't want to do that, you can exit the one and go back to the main screen. For now, we have the option 3, which is to play a game on easy mode. Option 4, medium mode, and the last one, which is option 5, the hard mode. So we'll go with the easy mode first. Over here, you will have 5 attempts to guess the word. They'll give you like a word, except that they will blank a word, a letter, so that you don't know what it is. Your objective is to write the full word. So as you can see, this is study. So bingo, you get the correct answer. You continue or not, it's the same as that one. You continue, it will give you another word. For like this one's robot, right? But let's say that you don't know the word. It will ask you to try again. And over here, it will put 1 out of 5. So this is the tries you have done, and this is the maximum amount of time. So let's say you keep getting it wrong, and it will say maximum tries reached, and it will ask you to move on to the next word. Of course, you can choose to quit or not, and let's just say we quit. We will go to the medium one. So it's kind of the same as the easy mode, except the question mark, the blank, the one that they blank the letters, in the first letter and the last letter. So this one is chess, and we know that already. And the main concept for this one is the same as the third one, except of the question. So let's go on to the last one. Over here, it will be harder because there'll be different questions. So there's maybe like 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's just say that you enter a wrong word. There will be no attempts, and you have to try to guess the word, or else you'll not go on. So the word is algorithm. Oh wait, give me a while, sorry. So this one, you will have to try to guess the word, same as the other one, except this one, you get it wrong, it will tell you to keep guessing until you get it correct. So this one's robot. you can continue, and you can see that there are different types. They will blank out like 2 letters, 3 letters, or 1 letters. I hope you enjoyed this, and thank you for watching this video.